Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. First of all, wish you a very good evening to you all. And this evening, I shall be reacting Esther Hnamte's live performance video. So guys, the name of the song is J4. So guys, let's start the video without wasting time.
And really
Wow.
patriotic performance by Esther one more time. I think picture abhi baki hai Esther.
Here we go.
Maybe invite you one more time. What
She's
do you
coming.
say? Do
She's
you like the
coming.
audience? Yes? You want to sing one more song? Yes? So huge round of applause for Esther one more time.
Woo!
Yeah,
Here
stage
we
is
go.
all yours, Esther.
It's coming. It's coming. She's from Mizoram. Okay. Uh, Now she's going to sing a song. So guys, let's enjoy with her performance. Let's see what happens. Go. She's having much more confidence than ever. That means she don't have any nervousness when she used to come to the stages. She confidently performed. So guys, we used to be like this only, but much positive. Go. Wow. Sarah, Wednesday, fun. Sarah. Wow. Isaka, mipui motona isak teju. Confidence itratak, ini teju area thea. To be a singer, we should be like this only. Otherwise, no hope for becoming a singer. To be a singer, we should be self-confidence, 100%. Otherwise, confidence. Wow. Singing in front of many people. Wow. She nearly died. Uh, how she is following the track and all. It's it's a bit difficult for me to follow the instrumental, but for her, so uh, she did it very easily. Wow. Wow. This small little baby, the little girl, uh, has make has made proud of Mizoram only. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. And even though uh, she is singing along with dancing, how very it's a very self confidence she have. For us though, it will be very difficult to do. years will be around 15 or not 15, 10, 12 like this. Wow. Ini bisa nggak ada ya? एक लाइक्स तो बनता है इस लड़की के लिए जो एक एक हमारा राष्ट्रीय गाना जो गा रहा जय हो. It's not much differences from national song, but it's almost same with our national song. He's singing for our national only. So guys, please give a like for her. Hui tập tập hui tập tập confidence và tập này confidence và tập su này tập tập dia itu sel na rang ha bu ini omin to in confidence ini in thun chu ma te ai phone thei rang anita zak na hai mai mok na hai sab khai le rang ni.
धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद. Wow, even though she is saying thank you with Hindi. Wow, very good, very good. Okay, guys. Guys, we'll
That
be in the
was
next
really cute, Esther.
next
I'm
video.
sure everybody sitting in
Let
this
her
hall must be
complete the
filled with
anchoring.
spirit. So maybe show the spirit to Esther one more time before she leaves the stage. Thank you so much, Esther, for
guys.
giving a wonderful performance.
That's all for today. So see
So
you in
this
the
was
next
our little
video.
packet, Chota packet, Bada Dhamaka from
Yeah.
Mizoram for
Very good,
you.
very good. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Uh, see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए सबको मेरी तरफ से good night and have a sweet dream. Thank you.